Bianca Bouvier from Bouvier Productions. She's been with us for 10 years strong. She's been a promoter. She has Trinidad. She's been with us every year. And I appreciate you. And also, for 10 years of being a part of our Platinum City royalty, we do have another gift. If I get Dominique Chappelle to step forward, please. This is just another token of our love and support. She told me that she loved Snow Around the Globe, so this is one from Thanks Remember. And I think it just reads 10th year anniversary for Dominique Chappelle. Her first 10 years is with us, so we appreciate you and love you. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to... okay. Sharice, we don't have the box. But I'm sure we can find somewhere to put it. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to take a very short intermission, and we're going to